So in the previous class we learned about the right hand technique. Now we will bring in the left hand, and this is exercise number 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means no frets. So you just have to play the string open, right? So if I'm just playing the string, that means 0. 1 means the first fret. 2 means the second fret. 3 means the third fret. Okay, so use different fingers for different frets. This is finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, and finger number 4. So this exercise is 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's start this on the 6th string first. 0 on the 6th string is 6th string open, then the first fret, second fret, then the third fret. Now if you can do that on the 6th string, you can do that on every string. So let's try this on other strings. 5th string, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next. 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 Once again.